Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to hide red and blue underlined squiggly lines globally in Microsoft Word. Turning off these automatic proofing alerts instantly cleans up your desktop display, allowing you to write freely or read complex technical documents without distracting color highlights messing up your layout. First, open Microsoft Word. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu and click on File. Move to the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and select Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Scroll down to the middle section explicitly labeled When correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Uncheck the box next to Check Spelling as you type to completely kill the automated red spell check tracking engine. Next, uncheck the box right below it labeled Mark Grammar Errors as you type to permanently drop the blue contextual squiggly rules across your workspace. Click the OK button in the lower right corner of the layout box to save your global preferences and return to your document window. And that's it. Your global distraction-free typing view is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.